Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thanks for coming to this channel to learn a bar song, a 32 count, 4-wall beginner line dance, choreographed by Ben Murphy. We have no tags or restarts, so I'm just going to turn around and get started. That's Scully moaning and stretching. He decided, oh, hello, Scully. Well, he's saying hello to you all. Very lovely, Scully. We'll see how long he lasts here. Maybe he just wants a little belly rub before he dances. Scully, you're funny. Here we go. Oh, that's it. All right, we'll see ya. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, together, step, touch. This is a Rumbabox. Step, together, step, touch. So we have right, left, right, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch, 8. The second count of 8. Step 1, touch, 2, step 3, touch, 4, find 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, we have 1 touch, 2, 3 touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go right into the next 8 because it's almost exactly the same thing. We do a step touch to the left. We start a grapevine, but we're going to end with a quarter turn. So that grapevine, after you do 1, 2, 3, 4, goes 5, 6, follow your left shoulder and step forward, 7, and then scuff your right foot. Now, another little option that you can do on this if you want, when we're doing the step touches before the grapevine, you can add a clap on counts 2 and 4. So I'm going to show you the grapevine section and add the claps for you. So this is the second and third count of 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, 3, 4 with a quarter turn, 7, 8, and your right foot is up. Last count of 8, that right foot is going to go into a heel tap. You're going to go heel, step it in, left heel, step it in. You're going to take both those legs and do a little jump out. Jump, hold, take your hips, bump them right, bump them left. So the last count of 8, I'm going to turn my back so you can see it a little better. You'll take your right foot and step heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to be weighted on your left as you throw that hip so you can start your Rumbabox again at your new wall at 9 o'clock. All right? So let's go back to the beginning and I'll do it for you at 2 walls. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have right, 2, 3, touch 4, step 5, 6, left 7, touch 8. Step 1, you can clap, 3, 4 with a grapevine, 6, 7, 8, or don't clap, 2, 3, 4, grapevine with a quarter turn, 7, 8, heel right, step heel left, step, jump, hold, bump right, we'll go again, and 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and clap if you want, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn, 6 o'clock, tap your right heel, step 1, 2, 3, jump it out, and hold, and bump, and then you start the same thing. Now, I said in the beginning that there weren't any tags and restarts. I think I may have said that, but that's incorrect. There is actually a little tag in here that happens at wall 10, which is actually when you're facing here, because it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go around that and make sure I get that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It happens at the end of 10, which is why you'll be at 6 o'clock, because you'll have just done bump, 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 ba-dum, 6, 7, 8. There's a little 4 count tag. You're on your left foot, step right together left, left together right, and start it again. Okay? So that's, again, you'll be facing that wall. You'll have just done hip, hip. Instead of starting with your Rumbabox, you'll step here, and then you'll begin your Rumbabox. And that is at the end of wall 10, you will be facing 6 o'clock. All right? So I'm going to put some music on. Turn around. Here we go.
My baby on her birthday, she's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries, list goes on and on.
Heel, jump.
One, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round when you play more. Three stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They don't need Jack Daniels, got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. I've been boozy since I left. I ain't changing for a shit. Tell my mom I ain't forget. Hold up drunk at 10 a.m. We gotta do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend. Oh Lord, one. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round when you play more. Come stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They don't need Jack Daniels, got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call,
You hear, right? Music sounds a little different.
Getting kinda late, but the ladies want some more.
You're ready.
Oh my, good Lord.
Right, left, right, go.
Someone pour me out a double shot of whiskey. They don't need a Jack Daniels, got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They don't need a Jack Daniels, got a history. Got the bottle of a bottle of whiskey. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy.
There you go. All right. Stop that music. Nice. So that is the dance, a bar song. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's a lot of fun and it's a nice, easy dance. Again, please, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, like the video, share the video, anything. I would really appreciate it. I teach in the Los Angeles area, so if you are here, I hope that you will look me up. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the dance floor. Okay.